Let us now update our app to be able to translate and speak the given message in other languages. If you open the media drawer, you'll find a Yandex Translate component. This can be used to translate words and sentences between different languages. Let us drag and drop the component to our app. We will need a text box which shows the translated text and a button clicking on which the app will speak the text in a different language. Let us drag and drop these components onto the screen. Now we shall customize our newly added components. We'll name our button as Speak in French. The Yandex Translator will allow you to translate text into a variety of languages as shown here. For the time being, we'll choose to translate to French. Coming back to the other components on the screen, we will increase the width of the text box to fill the screen, and also I want the text to be non-editable. This is all the components we need for this update. Let us now add some logic to our app. So switch to the blocks editor. When the user clicks on Speak in French button, the text should be read from the text box 1 and fed to Yandex Translator to translate to French. Once the translation is complete, the translated text should be written to the second text box and should be read out aloud by the text-to-speech converter. The first thing we need to do is set up the button click event. Click on button 2. We can actually go back and change the name of this button to add more clarity to our code. So go back to the designer view, rename the button as Translate button and click OK. Switch back to blocks view. Select the Translate button. We are interested in its click event, so select it, drag and drop it to the editor. As already discussed, when I click on the Translate button, the Yandex Translator should be called to translate the text to French. Select Yandex Translate. Here we have a method request translation, which needs you to give the inputs as the language to translate to and the text which you want to be translated. The second one is easy. I need the text in the text box to be translated, so I click the text box 1. Textbox1.text will return the text that was input into this text box. Plug this into the groove in the request translation block. Now we need to specify the translation language. We want the text to be converted to French. If you go back to the Yandex page, you can see that every page is given a 2 to 3 character code. Let us search for French. It is FR. So FR is the input language. I will drag an empty text from the text component. Update the text to FR. With this, we instruct the Yandex Translator to convert the text to French. The translation will occur independently in the background, and as soon as it is complete, a got translation event is generated. Let us now write the logic for what should happen after the translation is obtained. Drag and drop the got translation event. Here, the response code tells us if the translation was successful, and the translated text is available in the variable translation. Once the translation is done, it has to be written to text box 2 and read out aloud. To set the text of the text box 2, use the setTextBox2.text method from this component. Drag and drop this into the editor. The variable translation contains the value of the translated text. We will assign this to our text box 2. Select Get Translation. Plug it into the textbox.text method. Next, we need to use the text-to-speech component to read out the translated text. Select the Speak method and add it to the event. The text-to-speak is once again the translation variable. Make the necessary connections. And that is it. This is all we had to do to add a translation feature to our app. Let us go ahead and test our app. Let me type some message into the text box. If I click on speak now, it will now read out the text.
Hello. Good morning. Bonjour. Bon matin.
We can modify our app to Indian languages such as Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Konkani, Bengali, etc. You just need to have the necessary settings on your phone to read out the Indian language script.